All right, let's just jump right into it. Today, we are unlocking the ultimate mindset cheat code. And this is for literally anyone who's ever thought, I'm just not ready yet. If you feel like you're stuck, just waiting for that perfect moment, this is for you.
Okay, so we've all been there, right? I call it the readiness trap. You know that feeling? That paralyzing vibe where you think you need just one more class, or a little more experience, or maybe a sign from the universe before you can finally make a move. Yeah, that's the one. It is the ultimate progress killer.
So let's do a quick vibe check and be for real with yourself for a sec. Are you, maybe, kinda, ghosting your own potential? Are you leaving your biggest goals on read simply because you don't feel ready? It's a tough question, I know, but we gotta ask it.
But what if I told you there's a way to break out of that trap? Like a simple but super powerful mental hack that can short-circuit that whole negative thought loop? Well, there is. It's called the as-if cheat code.
The as-if frame is actually brilliant because it's so simple. Basically, it's all about embodying the person you want to become. Now, this isn't about being fake or pretending. It's about acting as if you already have the confidence, you already have the skills, you already have the title. You're literally hacking your own brain, building the pathways for success before it's even official.
I know it sounds a little wild, but here it is. You basically have to gaslight yourself, in a good way, into success. You are convincing your own brain that the future successful version of you is already here, right now. And your brain, well, it wants to align your actions with your beliefs, so it just starts to follow along.
This whole mindset, this whole cheat code, is pretty much powered by one incredible game-changing mantra. You've probably seen it all over the internet, and for a really good reason. It just perfectly captures the energy we're talking about.
And here it is. Delu is the solu. Yep, it means being a little bit delusional is the solution. Think of it as like the 2.0 version of fake it till you make it. Because it's not about being fake. It's about having the sheer audacity to believe in yourself and your own potential so fiercely that it has no choice but to become your reality. This right here, this is the core takeaway.
Okay, so this all sounds great in theory, right? But how do you actually apply it in real life? Let's pivot to a super concrete example to show you exactly how to channel that main character, boss energy, when you need it the most.
So let's say you're feeling nervous about leading a big meeting. Your confidence is kind of low. You're deep in that I'm not ready vibe. Okay, instead of spiraling, you're going to activate the cheat code. Your new point of view is simple. I'm the CEO.
And from that perspective, you just ask yourself one simple question. If I were the CEO, how would I walk into this meeting? See? This one question instantly shifts your entire frame of reference away from fear and straight into a place of power.
And suddenly the answer becomes so clear. A CEO, they walk in with purpose. They speak with clarity, with authority. They totally own the room, not with arrogance, but with this quiet confidence. By just asking that question, you're not just thinking about it anymore, you're getting a literal blueprint for action. You start to channel that exact energy. It's giving boss.
So look, if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. The crucial point is to stop waiting. Stop waiting for that feeling of readiness because, spoiler, it might never actually come. You have to start acting as if you are already the person who's capable of doing all those amazing things. Your actions are going to pave the way for your mindset, not the other way around.
And I'll just leave you with this final thought. If you really, truly committed to this cheat code, if you started acting as if today, who would you become tomorrow? What meeting would you totally crush? What project would you finally start? What life would you begin to build for yourself? The answer is just waiting for you to act on.